Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the art of using prompts effectively in ChatGPT. Whether you're new to AI language models or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to craft your prompts can significantly enhance the quality and relevance of the responses you receive. So let's get started. Understanding your needs. First and foremost, it's important to be clear about what you're seeking from ChatGPT. Are you looking for factual information, creative ideas, problem solving, or perhaps guidance on a specific topic? Recognizing your objective and the level of detail you need is crucial in formulating your prompt. Crafting the prompt. The effectiveness of a ChatGPT response heavily depends on how you craft your prompt. Here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Clarity. Ensure your prompt is clear and specific. 1. Vague questions can lead to ambiguous answers. 2. Context. If you're dealing with complex or niche subjects, providing context is vital. 2. This helps the AI to understand and respond more accurately. 3. Question framing. Your approach should match your goal. 3. For straightforward facts, ask direct questions. 3. If you're seeking opinions or in-depth analysis, frame the request accordingly. 3. For creative tasks, setting a scene or providing a start point can work wonders. Advanced techniques. As you get more comfortable with ChatGPT, you might want to experiment with advanced techniques. 1. Sequential prompts. These build upon previous answers, allowing for deeper exploration of a topic. 2. Role-playing. Asking the AI to assume a specific role can yield fascinating responses, especially in creative or hypothetical scenarios. 3. Hypothetical scenarios. Pose what-if questions to spark creativity and explore different viewpoints. 4. Restrictions. Applying boundaries, like avoiding certain topics or sticking to a particular style, can refine the AI's outputs. Fine-tuning responses. Remember, your interaction with ChatGPT is a conversation. If the initial response isn't quite what you were looking for, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. You can also provide feedback on what you liked or disliked about the AI's reply, guiding it for future responses. Practical examples. Let's put this into perspective with some examples. 1. For information gathering, a simple, "What is the capital of France?" is direct, whereas asking for a detailed comparison of the economic policies of Canada and Sweden requires more elaboration. 2. In creative writing, prompting the AI with "write a poem about the ocean" is straightforward, but "write a story about a time-traveling historian" demands a more detailed setup. 3. For problem solving, direct requests like "how can I fix a leaking faucet?" work well. 3. But for more elaborate issues, like planning a garden, detailed inquiries specifying climate, space, and preferences are needed. 4. For personal advice, general questions like "what are effective stress management techniques?" are useful, but specificity can provide more tailored advice. And before we wrap up, here's a bit of AI humor for you. Why did the algorithm go to school? Because it wanted to improve its learning curve. Remember, the future is not just about technology, it's about how we interact with it. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and above all, keep the fun and functional when working with AI. Take care, and see you in the next session.